In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front sway bar links on your Mercedes-Benz C300. They're located behind your front wheels. Using a 17mm socket, we are going to remove our wheel. Make sure you have a hand on the top. And remove it. To remove our sway bar link, you're going to want to get a socket on the end. Ours is a 19mm. This is an aftermarket sway bar link. The original is an 18mm. You're going to hold the inside with a locking plier, and you can remove the nut. You may need heat. If it doesn't come loose, you may not. Once you've taken the nut off, you can remove the sway bar. Once you remove that, in order to get the sway bar out, you are going to have to pry down and remove it like that. So pry down on your sway bar in order to get the stud all the way out. And now we're going to do the same on the top. Now we're going to remove the top part. We have our locking pliers on the inside holding it still, and we're going to loosen it. Again, you might need heat to remove them. It's the same size. Remove your locking pliers, and now you can remove your sway bar link. Let's install our sway bar link. Do the top first. Get your nut started. Now we're going to put the lower part in. To do that, you are going to need a pry bar, and you're going to put it between the pry bar and the underneath of the car, and you're going to pry down on the bar and feed your sway bar in like that. Now you can start the nut on the other end. Make sure, just a note, that the sway bar is on this side of the brake hose and not on the outside. We're going to tighten it the same way we took it off. Put some locking pliers behind. Make sure you don't damage the rubber boot. And we're going to tighten it up. Release your locking pliers. Make sure it's tight, and do the same on the bottom, and then we'll torque both. Put your locking pliers on the inside. Do not damage that boot. Use a 19mm on the other side and tighten the nut down. Once it's snug, we're going to torque the nut. Now we're going to torque our nut to 72 foot-pounds. Let's torque our other one to 72 foot-pounds as well. We can remove our locking pliers and torque wrench. Put your wheel on. Make sure you line up your lug nut holes. Make sure you line up your wheels and get that first one started. You are going to need your socket to do that. And continue the rest of the way. Now we're going to snug these up. Do not over tighten. We're going to tighten them in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 96 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.